So you want to replace me after 15 years of marriage? You want to replace me with another woman because I couldn't give you a child? After everything I sacrificed for you?
Grace, please. I've made my decision.
Your decision? Don't worry, Michael. God will fight my battle. "15 years.
I want a divorce.
You want a divorce?
Yes.
And after the divorce, you're going to marry her.
Once you sign these, it's over.
For you, maybe it ended today. 15 years, gone with a signature.
Grace, what happened?
Daddy, Michael divorced me.
Come inside, my daughter. Don't let one man's decision make you believe your life is over.
So, what are you going to do about Victoria?
I'm going to marry Victoria.
Michael, I can't believe we're finally married.
We have a whole new life ahead of us. Michael, do you know the damage this mistake has caused? Sir, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I didn't do it intentionally. This isn't a small mistake. The company has lost a lot of money because of your negligence.
Please, sir, give me another chance.
I'm sorry, Michael. You're dismissed from your position, effective immediately. Sir, you may leave.
Hello, Michael. Are you coming home?
Yes, I'm coming.
Did something happen?
I lost my job. The chief dismissed me today. I'll explain when I get home.
Michael,
The chief fired me.
what are we going to do?
I'll find another job. Michael, your rent is overdue.
Please, sir, just give me some more time.
I've already given you enough time. If you can't pay, you have to leave.
Where will we go?
Well, go back to the village.
The village.
I don't have any other choice.
I never imagined our life would become like this.
Neither did I.
What are you going to do now?
Whatever I can.
Girls, have you heard? Grace is getting married again. After Michael divorced her? Yes, Daniel, a handsome, very rich man. Ah, Grace is lucky.
Ready for our adventure, Grace?
Yes, Daniel, I'm so happy.
Look at our beautiful family.
I love you all so much.
Daniel, slow down. Stop the car. Michael,
Grace, is this your family?
yes.
You have children.
4.